how to merge two Facebook pages. So let's see through this video. First of all, open up your Facebook and make sure to log into your Facebook page. There are various factors that doesn't allow you to merge your Facebook page, so sure to watch them all. So in the right upper corner you can see the profile icon with three-bar menu. Tap on that and scroll down and tap on the help and support option. After that, tap on the help and in the search bar tap for the merge pages option, and here you can see the help is provided. You can see the conditions where you won't be able to merge the pages. You have to read them carefully in order to merge the pages. There are various conditions, like if the page is global page, then also you won't be able to merge, and if the pages are not verified, then also you won't be able to merge the pages. So make sure to meet all those needs. If you meet the need, then you can follow these steps which are given in the help centers, and by following those steps you can merge the two Facebook pages that you own. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos like this. Hope to see you guys in the next tutorial video.